I'm sure that if we were to develop the language of articulation, of narrativization, of actually the episteme of art, the aesthetics would be different from the perspective of the creators over there. One other issue that I just quickly would want to point out is who is writing your own history. It's very critical. Who is writing your own history? Those who critique artworks created by others are those who indeed have developed the kind of the language of critical, narration that does not necessarily favor the other, the African American, the Black and African American community, because it's also a power play. There is the issue of who accepts whom into museums, who curates whom into existence. It is a critical issue in the sense that if we do not have the medium, the mode of actually narrating ourselves into history, which is why this is very important, narrating yourself into history. Forget about the fact that this is, a career of 12 artists to start with. I'm looking beyond now. 100 years from now, if we all will agree to come back, 100 years from now, to look at where we would be then. I hope we will be able to look back and say, look, it's Chicago.